YouTube, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video from the train room. Yes, today we are doing a special video because I got a box, as you can see, from miniprints, and I will start a series from this video on, because I ordered the monthly subscriber box from miniprints, and I have to say I'm totally not sponsored by miniprints or so. I order them, I pay them, but I find it a really cool idea, and the service from miniprints is awesome. They're a small manufacturer from Canada, and they offer a monthly subscriber box in HO scale, different figures or small tiny things to add to your layout for, I think it's around $30. I think it's around $30 or so. Shipping included, and that's the awesome stuff. As you know, I'm based in Switzerland and I do not have to pay more. Just this subscriber amount, I think it's around $30. If it's another, I will show you here the correct price, but this is just awesome. So yeah, let's open this box and see what's inside. I think this is I'm not really sure. It's the March or the April subscriber box. Maybe it's something written in it, and it looks like the customs. It looks like customs already opened it once. So let's see. And now I will get you a little closer because it's HO scale. Now let's see what's inside. So there is a small letter inside, and it's written "Your April Mini Prints of the Month Club Box." So I won't read this. Maybe next time I will read this, but I'm curious what's inside. So we got a lot of stuff. Wow, this is awesome. So what do we have here? 2 dirt bikes. And they're always unprinted. Not unprinted. Unpainted, so you have to paint them. But that's part of the hobby, part of the fun stuff. Then we have here, sheeps. And 2 dogs and a sheep man. Let's see, maybe we better take it out to show you. There's something missing. Maybe there is a small sheep missing. There's the other small sheep is between the dogs. So here you can see sheeps, 2 dogs, 4 sheeps, 2 dogs, and the man. So that means I show you also the bikes. I have to say the quality is outstanding so far. I really like it. Print quality is great. So here you have the 2 dirt bikes, and I'm not quite sure if every box is the same, but I think so. And here we have 3 guys. 1 is 2 are sitting and 1 is standing. Oh, let's see if we can do this like that. And we have beehives. OMG. I saw them on the page from miniprints. A link, I will put down the link in the description. And I saw the beekeeper with the beehives, and I was thinking, oh yeah, I have to get some of those. And now see They are in the subscription box of April. This is so cool. I already know where to put them on the layout. Woohoo! And then we have some, what's the word in English? Oh wow, that's cleared resin. Okay. With something flowing on, water or so. And we have a tank. So those are 2 other pieces. Also great for small little details on the layout. And yeah, that's it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, around 15 prints for this 30 box. That's great. So this is the April mini prints of the months club box. And well, let's read it. Another month filled with customer requests. Keep them coming. I've tried to include a number of items with a bit of a spring theme. And first up is a set of 2 dirt bikes. I've had sheep and sheepdogs before, but here's a new set of sheep laying down, 2 working sheepdogs and a farmer. What could be more spring than sheep? Well, in Switzerland, rain. One of my most long requested items has been hobos, and I'm happy to include a set of 3 gentlemen who are down on their luck and ready to ride the rails. Another long overdue request has been a beekeeper and a trio of peories. Oh, beehive. I always enjoy playing with new and different resins. And this month I have included a white 325-gallon plastic storage tank used for storing water and most agricultural and industrial chemicals, and a clear water pipe. Just paint out the pipe, insert into a riverbank, and let the water flow. Oh, that's cool. So that's this one. Ugh. You have to put it in like this, and you have clear resin, water flowing out. Perfect. Perfect. This is awesome. And finally, if you have watched the news lately, you can't have missed the fact that everyone is talking about de-extincting direwolves. So you're welcome. Direwolves. Those are these, the direwolves. These are not dogs, these are direwolves. Well, this is cool. This is really, really cool. So that's my April mini prints of the months club box. And from now on, I will present you every time I get a new box, as long as I have the subscription, maybe for years to come, and I will show you all the prints I got. Again, I'm not sponsored. I just think Mini Prints does an awesome job, has some great detailed parts. Go check them out, and we see us in the next video. Bye.